Welcome to our TripADeal China tour.
微风吹过旧城墙，微风吹过旧牵强，旧城很
Actually, he overthrew his nephew, became a leader of this country.
中央，月光洒在水中央，水中
Under the national flag of
央。
China.
你的影子那么长，你的影景那美长。
So today we've been to the Tiananmen Square, which was pretty cool. Line, not such long lines, but it was hot.
时空的边缘，拥抱着瞬间的画面，万语千言在指尖盘旋，爱在单身之里蔓延。
Once we went through Tiananmen Square, come out the other side and you go into the Forbidden City. You go through all of that, find out about all the concubines that the emperor had and the way that all that worked. And how the old world, what they call past time, I guess.
Yeah, no, it's really nice, a cultural experience.
灯火闪烁在远方，灯火闪烁我在文房，心中的鼓声在敲响，心中的鼓心在敲响，不怕路长，只怕心迷失在对的海洋，迷失在揣呼的海洋，穿越时空的。
It's pretty impressive. Just you see all the stuff in National Geographic, and then you come here and it's just this big,
Imagine if it wasn't all the people. It'd be
So much
even
better.
more impressive. The size of it. It is magnificent.
蔓延。
So I've got this thing on my head. It's a dehydrated towelette or something. We chucked water on it, and so it wasn't so hot there, but it's just having it on the head because I forgot my hat. So that's pretty cool.
蔓延，就在这里，就在这里，就在这里。
Relax himself a little bit. And plus, the big shot is the last coming always. So that's why the Chinese emperor gonna take break here until all the officials and military ready.
"从云南来的王义辉观众，听到广播后，请马上到神武门外去，您的朋友在那里等您，谢谢。"
And he thought, stay on the central axis, it only looks make this place everything on our face and only time and the first time. Our bus is on your left side now.
Let's go! Everybody up the bus! There is street people on the side of the road wherever we're walking, where we get on the bus or off the bus or to a restaurant or other places, trying to sell us fans and magnets and other things. Okay, we come back here. See. The Chang'an. Ooh. So now we're in Old Beijing. We've just gone and had a lunch at what they call a family place, which it was not a restaurant. It seems to be set up more for tour groups coming through to eat authentic Chinese food, which was really nice. Then there was a lot of it, so it was really, really good. Didn't have any alcohol-free beer, but that's okay. They did have cold Coke, cold Sprite, cold water, and for those that drank beer, they had cold beer. So now we're in the old town and we're leaving here in a rickshaw. We're doing a tour around here in a rickshaw. And I'm all by myself, so my rider, he's lucky. Absolutely beautiful river, lake. Here we go. Pug. Buggy, 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 buggy. Buggy, buggy. Yeah, so we don't see too many dogs around, but there's a pug. That's for you, Cara. But yeah, look at what's this car here? It's a door. Looks pretty beastie. It's like a knockoff of a Defender. KFC. 谢谢. S-Class. Ooh, S-Class. Oh, cash guy. I thought that we would finish the ride, but we hadn't. So I jumped out, gave him $5 Aussie tip. And then he goes, we're not finished. Jump back in. Because I saw Mum and Dad up the front and they jumped out. But no, we're still going. Hey! High five! That was great. I'll show you our rickshaw. Here's our rickshaw here. This is what we're on. Bad boy here. Bloody brilliant. Look at this thing. Bloody awesome, ripper. TripADeal flags from multiple different groups. That's one TripADeal group, and then ours is the one up there with the white and brown little bear thing on it. There we go. There you are. What was that like?
It was awesome.
So here's the shop. This is what we call the cut-through shop.
All right, everyone.
Here he is. So we just got this iced tea from this little place over here. It's like 25 yuan. Check out all the lulamons in there. Gotta get the lulamons, yeah. Street down there. And see what's going on. Got some street food just on there. What do we got here? We've got some, whatever that is. Smoke going off in the back of that little rubbish truck. Construction work going on over here. That's a good ladder. That's load rated ladder, that one. If you look up here, paper cutting shop. Everywhere. It is crazy how many tour groups there are. But that's because China's popular, where it's very clean. The streets are really clean. Things are maintained. Yes, they're old, but they're maintained. Puppy dog. Hello. Hello. Yo! Hey! Alright, so here's our bus to pick us up. Up the road, let's go!
This same night.